Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and today we're taking a look at accessories for your Apple Watch. This happens to be a band from the Amband company. Now, this is my Apple Watch 9, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install and upgrade it today. So let's take a quick look at what you get. This is from Amband. This is a completely enclosing band, meaning that you don't have to use the little tiny clips on the end, and it does completely wrap the entire watch except for the little crown here, which will be accessible, and it does have a cover for the side action button here. And I'm going to show you how to install it and then what it looks like with the watch inside of it. So you can take out the spacer here. On your existing Apple Watch, if you go to the back side, you're going to find a little tiny indentation button, and that button you can press in as well as slide to the side. Same thing on the other side, push the little button in while sliding the old band to the side. Now the old band will come off. On the new one, I recommend starting crown first. Push the crown in and then push the rest in. And just like that, that's all you need and it's ready to go. Now the one thing I like about this is just how rugged and durable it looks. You can see here, the band is adjustable for many different size hands. I have a pretty large wrist, but you can see I could go much smaller, and I even have tons of adjustability higher. So one band can cover all that. As you can see, the watch is still accessible. I can still get to all of my settings. I can get to all of my apps, my buttons, and other items right through the menu. So I like this because, again, it's not going to hurt the watch. You're going to protect the sides, especially if you have the stainless steel one. Those are known to scratch really easily on the sides. So this one does fit and it's still comfortable. Additionally, taking it off is pretty easy for charging. On the bottom, it has full access to the heart rate sensor and the EKG capability of the watch. This has been John the Net Guy, and this is the Apple Watch case from the Amband company for your Apple Watch 7, 8, or 9 in the 45mm size.